So back onto this 2.5. It's Sunday morning. There's no rest for the wicked, is there? Yeah, somebody's been into this before and been playing around. You can see here there's a little mark on the pin, same as here on the wheel, sorry, and down here there's some paint for the top dead centre. Now this is really strange because this hasn't run very long, because otherwise you would have thought that the white paint in there would have disappeared. Perhaps not, but you know. But there were things very strange about this car. Let's go and have a look at the speedo. It's only showing 26,000 kilometres. Looks like it's done 260,000. I had a bitch of a job trying to get that water pump fan off, that viscous coupling. I had all my big tools out. I had to take the fan off, undo the little bolts behind the fan and put the big 32mm spanner on and give it a clout, and it came off. I don't really like giving them a hit because it can damage the bearings or the carbon seal in the pump, but I had no choice, and this tool I made here for the 300 TDIs to get them off, well, you just couldn't get it in. So the next thing, seeing somebody's been kind enough to put all the timing marks in the right place, I'm going to back off the adjuster. I'm going to take this nut off here and make a little puller to pull that pulley off, then we'll get the pump off. And then I'm going to drain it off today and get it down to Quebec or up to Quebec City and put it on a test and see what's wrong with it, because I'm sick of it. But there's somebody's been into this before, and the nut on the front, which is actually a 41mm, was so tight I had to get old Big Bertha out down here, which I used to put truck wheels on with, to get the crank nut off. So I'll try and get this pump off, but I just wanted to give you an update what was happening and show you that somebody's been into this before. This isn't original. Alright, and I don't know why they've put red paint on here. I have no idea. Right, let's get them bits off. Just before I send this pump away, I just want you to have a look at it. See how clean it is. Look at it. I mentioned to you before, they've put these anti-tamper paint markers on here, and that is extremely clean. I mean, all this is usually steel, and it just, all the dirt came off really easy. There's a bit of rust up there, but that's nothing. But you see the stop solenoid's like new. Look at it. See the delivery valves, they're all nice and clean. Sealed off for the mixture. So hopefully there's not much wrong with it, if anything at all. But it will be, you know, just we'll get it on a test bed and see what they say, and if we get it back we'll put it on, and then we'll keep chasing that problem. Right, so let's get this all boxed up and away. We'll see you later. Bye.